Ito kami sa loob ng border. We are now in Armenia.
Yes.
This is Mount Arrogance. Magala na kami after. I love you. Downside ay walang bidet. Pwede ka magbasa-basa, Christoph.
Oo, pwede ka pala mag-clear na
Ito yung mga nakikita namin ngayon. Historical landmark, no?
This record got tayo natin mamaya. It looks so delicious.
Melts in your mouth, oh my God.
Guys, sobrang sarap nung pork tenderloin nila dito sa tavern. Yummy! Of course. Armenian water. May Dubai nga eh, Dubai.
One more.
Wow,
Good. Sarap ng tiramisu.
spot.
Ang saya din, no? Dito, guys, sleeping. Hello everyone, this is Ben and Ben saying good morning Georgia. This is our 5th and last day here in Georgia, and around 10 o'clock AM susunduin na kami ng aming driver going to Armenia. So last view of our room. Good morning and goodbye Georgia. Thank you for happy memories and good food. See you when I see you. Goodbye, Mother of Georgia. Nag-aayos na po ang aming may bahay. Ang sarap maging baby at maging Christoph. Panood-nood lang habang kami nag-aayos.
No.
But I want to go to Armenia.
We're gonna go to Armenia by car.
Last breakfast. Come on, Christoph. Come here. I think all the same. Ang nabago lang ay merong rice. What's inside? Oh, there's Shanghai. Yay!
Ano kaya ito? Pinili ano?
Parang siyang ano eh, quinoa? Quinoa ba rice pa yan?
Mga siyang yung sa amin. Nagulat ako may plato na siya ng may wafer.
Hey, slowly. Why are you eating it all at the same time? Look at so takaw. Last breakfast in Voyager Hotel, Georgia. Ano kay mama? Wafer.
Ganyan ni Christoph.
And water.
Okay, I will give you.
I want some cold water.
You want? Okay, Dada will get lemon water, okay?
Bye-bye, daughter.
We're going now to Armenia. We're just waiting for our driver. Malapit na daw siya. Exchange lang si mama ng diaper, then we will go down. Christoph, say bye-bye, Georgia.
Bye-bye, Georgia.
Hi, Armenia.
Hi.
Okay. Hello everyone. Ay! Our driver arrived. Goodbye, Voyager Hotel. Come on, Christoph, go there.
Mother.
Where are we going now, Christoph?
We're going Armenia. We're going to the airport first. And then Armenia.
Still in the...
Where are you going today?
Armenia, yes.
We're now at the service going to Armenia.
On the way to Armenia.
Christoph,
Are you excited?
are you excited?
Mga tourists na to Armenia.
Brother Hovo gave us apricot from Armenia. And we are going to Armenia. And fresh fruits. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much, brother.
You are welcome.
Are you happy?
Yeah, but I want up the alley.
Only you are going inside, there is checking, stamp and go.
Hi guys. Nakatawid na kami ng Georgia border. Next is Armenian border. Ito kami sa loob ngayon ng border. Yan, may mga duty free sila. Duty free Georgia. Yung service namin ay nandun pa. So, antayin namin yung driver. Then, sakay na ulit kami. Then, going to Armenia border. And may duty free sila sa loob. We're just waiting for our Armenian driver. Ayan, nag-aantay sila sa labas. Dito muna kami sa loob. Kasi medyo maaraw sa labas. Hindi siya mainit pero maaraw. Masakit kapag tumatawa pa rin sa skin mo. Meron din pala dito mga vento machine. Yan. Yan, ito pa yung driver namin. Nantay lang namin makalagpas din siya sa kanya border control. Then punta na kami sa Armenia. Goodbye, Georgia. Hello, baby. Hello. Tignan nyo, sobrang kalat ng aso dito. Pati dun sa daanan mismo ng border ay may aso. Hindi ko lang kung makikita nyo sa video. May aso din doon. May aso dito. Okay, kanina may munti kang pang matapakan si mamang aso. Ang daming aso, no? Dito. Are you excited going to Armenia?
Happy birthday, Dad.
Thank you, Papa.
Where are we going? Speak loud.
More people. It's maybe very fast. This.
Yeah. Ah, this is the ano?
Yeah.
The Armenian border? Ah, really?
Yeah.
We are now in Armenia.
Yes.
Welcome to Armenia. Yes. Ay, sorry. Welcome to Armenia. Kakalampas lang namin ng Armenia boundary. Hello everyone, we will now try the apricot given by us by Brother Hobo. Tingnan ka siya. Apricot by Brother Hobo. Super yummy. Thank you, Brother Hobo. Ganda ng mga bundok siya mo. Very beautiful Armenia. Mount Aragats.
Yeah. It's Mount Ararat. Santa Claus also there. Yeah.
This is Mount Aragats. Is this the same place that they believe that Noah's Ark landed, or different?
No,
Ararat.
Yeah. This is the Aragats.
Aragats.
You know that history?
Yeah, in the Bible,
Yeah.
Bible.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Only now.
Look at the buildings.
we have
It's like we are in
parking.
Europe.
I see there is. Yes. Parking. See, this is the.
Ah, this is the one. We are here at our hotel. We are now at Holiday Inn, Armenia. And mag-check-in lang kami and then mag-settle sa room and then mag-gala lang kami after. Ito yung breakfast area nila. Yay! We're in Armenia. I love you. We are now at Holiday Inn Yerevan. So here's the toilet. Faucet, toilet, shower. Yeah. Wow, may padab sila. Kaso nga lang, ang downside ay walang bidet. Charm, meron silang Dove, shampoo and body bath. Kaso nga lang, ang downside ay walang bidet.
Seryoso?
Walang bidet. Baby crib, naglagay na agad sila ng baby crib.
Meron yung toilet na automatic.
So, one big bed, and then one extra bed, and then our view.
Nadala mo ba yung bag ko?
This is our view.
Okay na?
Yes.
The countries of the world.
City view.
The countries of the world.
Exit.
So on the side, meron silang
Ito kasi
blower, plancha, and kabayo.
Yeah.
Ito ba yung mga sabitan?
We're gonna go down in the
Meron din silang maliit na cabinet here. And ref. Small ref. Chiller. And safety. Safe vault. Oh! How are you there? Are you happy there? Si Vito!
Why do you get?
I love you! I love you!
Look. This is the see.
Pero yung isa sa ibang maleta.
I love you. You also, I love you too.
Look, you move this.
Okay, our first day here in Armenia. Gagala muna kami dyan sa mga tabi-tabi na malapit sa aming hotel. Ito ang itsura ng kanilang hallway, Holiday Inn. We're at the 10th floor. Hanggang ano sila, 14th floor. Dito kami sa 10th floor kaganina. Charmo, breakfast time, 7 to 8 a.m. Konti lang ang tao. 9 to 10 a.m. Sobrang daming tao. 8 to 9 a.m. moderate. Express start breakfast. It's new, it's hot, it's on us. So mga 7 siguro try natin na. 7 to 8.
Ready ba tayo? Mata.
Pag 9 to 10 pala, sobrang dami na. Okay, from our hotel, Holiday Inn, maglalakad-lakad kami from the garden to a shopping center where we can buy SIM card para mas madali kami mag-navigate kapag nakabili na kami ng SIM card with internet. So, oh, maganda yung garden. Lalagay yung mga bata. Nakatawa din dito. Sure mo pwede magbasa sila, Christoph, oh? Pwede magbasa. You want to get wet, Christoph? Ang saya sa lugar. Ang saya sa lugar natin, Charm. Mama, ang saya sa lugar. Pwede ka magbasa-basa, Christoph.
Oo, pwede ka pala mag-clear lang Dito na lang kami
Kaya nga. Gabi pa naman yung flight natin eh. So, makagala-gala pa tayo dito.
Oo nga, di ba?
Sabi ko sa amin, anak, kami na lang ang bundok meron nila. Dito na kayo cloud. Pwede ko na, sabi ko pa dito.
Ang ganda ng mga bata, oh. Cute. Tsaka yung mga bata gwapo din. Are you having fun? Hey, no, ayun na pala, Charm, oh. Eh, sayang. Sarado pa.
Hindi pa kasi siguro yan. Pinayos lang.
Napaganda pa, Charm. Nandito na tayo agad, oh my gosh. Hindi ito yun eh.
Oo nga.
Hindi ito. Sana meron silang internet dito.
Timing lang.
Let's see. Okay, Charm, go. Hi, excuse me. You have internet?
Yes. Yes, sim.
Doon sila charm sa Ucom 5G. Anak, I love you. I love you so much sa inyong dalawa ni Kuya Christoph.
Hey guys! So, dapat lalakad pa kami ng medyo malayo. Good thing, nung naisipan namin dito dumaan, ayan, may nadaanan kaming Ucom. And, what's the good news?
We have free internet.
Free internet, 10 GB with free calls. So, kala namin may bayad, pero ayun nga. Pag tourist ka, may promo daw sila na they're giving the SIM card and internet for free with local calls. So, pwede kong tawag-tawagan si Mama. So, here's Mama. Hi, Mama. Are you happy?
Of course,
You
I
have
have a free SIM card.
And internet na 10 GB. Yan, pwede siya mag-live. Bye! May grocery store sila dito. Okay. Actually, naglalakad-lakad lang kami sa sa places near our hotel. Ayan. Ito yung mga nakikita namin ngayon. Mukhang mall. I'm not sure if mall tong lalabasan namin. Kasi may mga Miniso, mga shops. And there's a pharmacy here. Ayan, the beautiful pharmacy. Okay. So actually, this is an underpass. Pero may mga shops siya inside. Underpass to, no? May mga shops.
No, it's just there. I don't like it. It's yucky.
Stop, stay here, please.
Just there. Look, it's just there.
Yeah, there's a stair there.
There.
And this is an escalator.
But I don't like the escalator.
Okay, step, step. So, ito yung nilabasan namin sa kabilang side.
Ano, not castle, cascade. It's like a big, tall stairs. Okay, we will go there later, okay?
Nakatuwa lang kasi kahit papano medyo baby friendly sila. Ayun o, may paakat. Pero, ayan. Meron silang mga park. Gilbert, wala nang dito na. Historical landmark, no? Yung historical. Yeah. Ito ba?
Love помочь расстать.
Они тут подбирали,
We are going to a restaurant, a Armenian restaurant,
Kala mo nagkasakay ng
Tavern. Ayan guys, malapit na kami. Ang aming first restaurant here in Armenia. Ang pangalan ay Tavern Yerevan.
Lahat may pulis, no?
This is the English name and this is the
Want to eat lunch?
Oh
lang sa Yerevan mabibili ito or sa Armenia. Baka gusto nyo ng putok, 1.7 lang. We also ordered this one, the Guinness Record Gata. This one, Guinness Record Gata. Try natin mamaya kung masarap.
Ano nila talagang hindi nila nilalagyan ng sugar.
Fried kinkali. First time na magka-try ng fried kinkali. Sure.
Happy birthday.
Tomorrow pa.
Pero di ko.
Eating time. Tenderloin, pilaf, fried kinkali. Ito yung dessert. Wala pa yung pasta pero di na mahantay. Medyo gutom na kami. Woo!
Sarap, no? Sarap nung texture niya.
May sabaw din sa lab? Wow! Kaya masarap. Try ko nga.
Pwede mo rin kainin na.
Ang sarap. Ang sarap nga. Ang try naman natin ay yung kanilang pilaf. This one, pilaf. Dumating na rin pala isa pa namin order na Yerevan pasta. It looks so delicious. Mushroom arista. Yun yung tawag nila. Here's the pork tenderloin. Malambot nga. Try natin. First bite. Sarap.
Ito nga sa labi na namin, may baboy niya.
Melts in your mouth, oh my God.
Guys, sobrang sarap nung pork tenderloin nila dito sa tavern. Kung pupunta kayo dito, subukan nyo. Hindi kayo magsisisi. Isa pa. Napakalambot. Sarap no, lambot.
Kaya natutunaw sa dila mo.
Siguro mga ano to, mga 10 out of 10, no? Yung pork nila to, 10 out of 10. Yung pilaf siguro mga 9 over 10. Mushroom pilaf. Bagay siya, sarap. Medyo maingay lang guys. Kain muna kami. See you later. Guys, try naman natin ang kanilang Arista Armenian pasta. Gabi yung mga pagkain dito walang katulad yung lasa. Kakaiba siya pero sobrang masasarap. Authentic Armenian pasta. You want dessert, Christoph? Come on, this is yours. Yay! This is yours. Yung dessert, sakto lang. Sobrang
Ay,
sarap.
masarap.
Sarap.
Ako, gusto ko siya.
Tama na yung tamis.
Mali ko sa prutas eh. Hindi siya masyado matamis. Mas gusto ko ito kaysa dun sa kahapon na sweet.
Ito matamis na.
Matamis na.
Because you're not eating more.
You like it?
Tama lang po.
We are now here at... Nasa tayo, Charm? Republic Square?
Nagising si baby. Masay ko ito, no? Opera house ba yun? Ayan na. Kami na.
Yun yung pupunta natin after eh, yung opera house. Hello guys! Dito na kami ngayon sa Republic Square. Lakas makano yun?
Kaya nga.
Europe vibes.
Ganda.
Oh. Ah. Lolo, kasama kita ngayon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Armenia. Nood tayo ng dancing fountain. Hello guys! Tayo natin yung famous free fountain nila. Yan. Tatagay natin yan. That's good. Come on, stop. No, drink water.
It's fun. Go to my yacht. Imachi.
Yummy. Like it?
Make it good. Get it good.
Mama, tayo mo, mama.
Sarap?
Don't worry, it's super clean water.
Of course.
Yeah.
Armenian water.
It comes from the mountain.
Yeah.
You're gonna get wet.
Hey,
Wait for Dada. Mama. Anong daw siya? Here.
No, sir. Yeah. Take a sip. Not like that.
What are you doing?
Are you happy? Is it cold? Sarap. Sabi ng mga residente dito, yung mga citizen, galing daw siyang mountain.
Tayo pag gano'n, ah.
Ayun kasi.
You like it, Christoph? The view? Hello guys! Medyo na-curious kami, sobrang daming tao dito dun sa isang branch nila. Dito, medyo konti lang, so tatry namin. Ang name ng shop is Pinkberry. Yan, dito medyo saktuhan lang yung pila. Marami tao sa branch nilang isa. Paikot, sobrang daming tao. So, na-curious kami. Kahit malamig na yung panahon, try pa din namin, baka mamiss namin yung chance na matikman siya. May tagsi 700 gram. May tagsi 500. May Dubai nga eh. Dubai. Ano kaya lasa ng Dubai? Umiikot to kaganina eh kapag may nag-order ng gelato. Tapos kukunin niya yung flavor na yun. Iikot siya. Yan, namimili na sila ng kanilang flavor. Sa akin yung assorted charm, ha?
Alin yun?
Ayun, tag sa 700.
Teka lang, mamaya papiliin ka kung ano yung kapatid flavor na yan.
Ikaw na bahala. Kahit ano yan, masarap yan.
Ito, mama, oh.
Maraming tao.
Uy, tiramisu.
Kaya pala Dubai gelato, tinan mo. Para siyang pistachio.
Ako yun na lang.
Alin?
Ay, ang masarap din yung
Si Christoph ay nag-aabang. At sinisave ang aming upuan. Over there. Woo! Christoph! Are you excited? Sit there, sit there. Save our seat. Excited siya. Sinisave niya yung upuan namin. Para meron kaming upuan after makabili nila Lola. Dito kami ngayon sa North Avenue, Armenia. Para siyang malaking mall. Meron siyang underground. May dalawang building on the other, on each side. Yung iba high-end like this one, Burberry. Yan. Burberry. Iba naman mga local brands. Mga nadaanan namin kaganina. So lahat yan ay mall.
I already eat. And do the ice cream.
Are you excited?
Yeah, this is the ice cream.
Yeah. Look at your brother. Your brother is smiling. Your brother is laughing at you. Ayan, nandun sila. Nantay lang namin sila dito habang sila ay namimili ng kanilang ice cream na bibili. Ayan sila Lola. Sa akin yan? Nakita ba yung charm? Patong-patong.
One more.
Charm.
Caramel pala ito.
Tama.
Wow, ang ganda sa
Mama!
Are you happy?
Look at these scoops.
Let's eat ice cream. 700 ano lang to grams. Cheers! Cheers!
caramel pala ito sa akin, di pala ako.
Meron.
Okay.
Guys, itatay na natin ang Pinkberry ice cream. Yan, upo lang kami dito sa gilid. Let's try it. How was it?
Yummy.
Christoph, you like it? Lola,
Lick it, yes.
you like it, Lola?
Caramel pala ito sa akin.
baby. Mama, may biscuit siya per layer, oh. Para siya may apa per layer.
Good. Sarap ng tiramisu. Tama in order ko kay Krista.
First layer.
You look here. See?
Stop using this now.
Kamusta po yung ice cream, ma'am? How's the ice cream? You like it, Kristoff? Kalat dito yung mga fountain. Ayan, oh. May fountain ulit dito na inuman. Zoom natin. Yan, oh. Inom tayo ulit. Kumang kasama si baby. Woo! Anong tawag dito? Opera Ballet? Ballet Opera.
Armenian National Opera and Ballet Theater.
Ooh.
Dalawa siya eh.
Mm-mm.
Parang traditional Korean.
Ang saya din, no? Sa tabi ng opera theater nila may mga ganito for family. Dad life. Ito pala yung kanya. Dito, place of sleeping.
That one.
Which one?
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next vlog.